Welcome to the video, guys. If you haven't seen the last video, check it out. We literally just finished filming it. We were ripping the field car in the mud, doing kind of a mudding video. It was a lot of fun. In the last video, I gave you a little hint of what we'd be doing in this video, and I said it would involve the hood, a car seat, and a tow strap. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna strap a car seat down to this hood, put a long rope on it, tie it to the back of the old Pathfinder, and drag my buddy David through the field. He'll have a GoPro on his helmet. Make sure to get lots of footage of it. I'm not gonna go too fast. I'm not trying to kill him. I'm probably just gonna be in second gear.
Safety first, guys.
Oh, of course.
Yeah. Safety first, guys.
That's our #1 concern.
#1 priority.
Oh yeah. But we'll rip this hood off, get the seat on. We'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll get right at it. Okay, this is the creation we have. We got a Lexus car seat here out of NLS 400.
Luxury riding.
Yeah, this is a luxury redneck sled. We got not one, but 2 ratchet straps holding her down. And like she ain't
nice
going,
headrest right here.
She ain't going anywhere. Safety, again, #1 concern.
Of course.
The hood kind of bends up here, so it's not gonna catch an edge. Got it tied up on the hood latch. And then we got a nice long rope, because if it's too short, he's just gonna get obliterated by roost, because if you saw in the last video, in the mud, this thing shoots a lot of roost. And then right here,
Probably still get hit back there.
right here, we got this thing we use for tubing. And it was like it was meant to be. They got these holes in the frame here. It's ready to go.
This was meant for this.
We got the camera on the back, tripod out there, and of course, this camera is on the helmet right now that he's gonna be wearing.
Oh shit, here we go. Oh yeah, these ratchet straps are hurting my butt already. Oh, here comes the roost. Oh shit. Oh, going into the first whip. I'm gonna be going sideways. Oh wow. Oh, I'm going in the trees. I'm going in the trees. Oh, okay. The mud is like hailing mud. Ow! 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 Oh, that was painful. That was like a muddy hailstorm. Ugh, there's mud in my mouth. Alright, I hope you guys can see out of the camera because it's probably covered in mud right now. Yeah, I'm in a hard whip right now. Big. Oh, I got air. I swear I just got air. Oh, this. Hard whip. Hard whip. That's funny. Look at how muddy this seat is. Started off in luxury, ended off in the pigsty. I keep getting dirt in my mouth, and I don't get it because I have a full face shield on. Dirt just finds a way in, I guess. That was crazy. You guys gotta see how muddy I am. We'll get a little shot of it now, just to show you that I am drenched in mud.
All right, it's getting a little dark and David's getting a little sore.
A little muddy.
A little muddy. Let's see that face. That little goggle hole there.
I got any mud on my face?
A little bit.
Oh, that's fine. It was getting in my mouth and my nose.
The whole rig hold up.
It held up nice.
Wasn't too sketchy
no
on
problems.
corners.
No. Felt pretty sturdy. Had some nice little holders here.
This was fun.
This was fun.
Sorry for like roosting you so much, but it's like if I don't give it that much gas, I'm gonna get stuck.
Yeah, no, it's fine. I got sacked by a big clump of mud at one point. I was like, oh.
All right, so this is gonna be the end of the video. It's cold, it's muddy, it's wet.
It's not that much.
Okay, sure. David's getting sacked and hurt by mud. He says it feels like hail. So we're gonna call it quits. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you got something in mind you wanna see us do with this Pathfinder, comment down below, or comment if you want to see us do this again.
We can do anything, all terrains, so
It's indestructible.
indestructible, man.
Yeah.
The Army needs to get some of these.
Oh, Pathfinders?
Pathfinders, man.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.